Got it here, a new Makami bracelet. As you can see, it's adjustable, super nice, like a watch. So for quick release, you press this button and take the knife out, and that way you can open the boxes, whatever. Use a little knife right here, and it looks like this right here can come off, so that way I guess a little bit more comfortable. That way it doesn't hang in the back over there. Super easy to use. D2 steel, that's a pretty nice steel. Plug it back in, so that way you can put it on your wrist very safely, and it's adjustable. You see, very cool. So I've seen knife bracelets before, but this one is definitely much better one. Look at that, there's a little notch, and it goes into the notch, locks it in, sits in a really stone until you press the button. Very cool. Another Makami over here. This one has 3 little pieces and a charging cord. It looks like a keychain. Everyday carry like a holder over here. So put your vitamins in there. Fire starter. Then there's a second one right here. Another one. So that's a double. Okay, let's keep this open. Wow, this one is for the pocket, not a keychain. That's cool. So same thing. Is it gonna be a flashlight or anything? Nope, just a capsule. So waterproof capsule. Nice, I love that. Then there's another one. Okay, this one is a lighter. That's cool. And a flashlight right here. That is unique. And the batteries would be in here. Yep, there's a little cover. Okay, spin it to turn it on, spin it this way to turn it off. So I don't think the flashlight is modular, but this thing's right here, and you can extend the double one. That is somewhat replaceable, so you can make it longer for like an extra container, or you can make it shorter again by just taking the whole thing off. That is cool. So as you can see, little modular EDC tool. This one goes into your pocket, lighter, and this would be your keychain. I like that little set with capsules and a lighter and a flashlight. Next I got right here a little titanium tool. These things are very popular. Check this out. There's a shell, 9mm. I guess it's like a self-defense little tool that goes into your pocket. It's nothing sharp or anything. For some reason people really like this, and they sell for over like $50, sometimes even $100 because of the brand. But they are handmade, pretty sure, or semi-handmade. This side here probably my favorite little keychain. Looks like a little pineapple. I liked it so much. I showed you in a blue color. This one is like 10. So it's on spin, and you have right here a little pick. So that way you can take out scabs, maybe a toothpick. You decide what you could be using it for. I wish it was like a flippable and screwing it onto this side as well. Maybe in the future they're going to make threads on this side as well, and we can thread it on so that way we can hold it. But yeah, a little toothpick pick, very sharp, easily take out splinters, whatnot. And the cool part is you have little beautiful pineapple over here for your keychain. I love it. This looks so good. New aluminum CVV pen right here. This thing is around like $50. Pretty lightweight, and it's a bolt action. Very nice. What do you think about the design? A square pen, quite comfortable. There's a window breaker, CVV logo. I like that bolt action. Yeah, the pens, metal pens, are very popular because they're also self-defense, but at the same time very cool looking ones. Got right here Makami Flashlight. Whoa, a lot bigger when you actually unpackage it. Turbo 700 plus lumens, low 2 lumens, medium 18, 120, and strobe is 338 lumens as well. And as you can see, 90 minutes on full charge. Yeah, a bit bigger, but it feels aluminum. Feels super lightweight, but in my opinion, a bit too thick. What is in here? Ooh, that is cool. So you can actually charge your phone with that. Wow, that is interesting. I guess like emergency phone charger on a Keychain Flashlight. That is kind of cool. And also 730 lumens is not bad. Looks like it's not charged at all. And also it doesn't have to be keychain, you can plug it onto your pocket. But yeah, very interesting keychain size flashlight with a power bank charger thing. I never seen that before on a small flashlight like that. You charge it with this one, you charge your cell phone with that. Next I got right here Magnet Nut by Keybar. It's actually pretty cool. I love this quick release magnets, but guess what, this one made out of copper. The copper is going to definitely change color, but that way it's going to look really elastic and beautiful. So very strong neodymium magnet. Look at that. It's not super easy to pull, but at the same time if you need to take it apart, no problem. So very cool quick release little Mug Nut by Keybar. Next I got right here Keychain revolver drum capsule. So just unspin it this way and boom, you have a little capsule. Super beautiful, isn't it? So first of all, your keychain is gonna look good and everybody probably will think this is just a cool looking keychain, but it's a secret capsule. Pretty beautiful, waterproof most likely. Got it here, Roy 1 flashlight, everyday carry. Let's see what's about. So this one is titanium, that's why it looks so good and pretty lightweight. So you just press and hold and that's your flashlight. If you press double click, you have flashlight but not maximum. Press again, brighter and brighter, and then off. And then just press and hold all the way to the maximum. Super unique, never had a titanium flashlight before. Very lightweight, I can't believe it. Comes with all this little rechargeable stuff and holders. Keychain. How many lumens it is? Only weighs 2.14 ounces, so super light. As you can see, triple click, it's gonna be flashing like that, like SOS. And then stop. Press and hold and it'll stop. Cool. So high mood is 300 to 100 lumens. I guess depends on the battery charge. So yeah, my first titanium flashlight, and I'm pretty impressed. It's beautiful, super lightweight and very bright.